Hello to you. This is What is the firmament? Is the firmament real? Yes, it is. Not in the biblical religious sense, but as something that can be verified and studied. Please share this video and subscribe. For all videos, write Jessie, Jessie, Jessie Johnson, Flat Earth into YouTube. The hundreds of millions of us over 500 years have been taught lies and deceptions about our world. We have been given an utter false universe to believe in and accept. This false universe that's been given to us is the heliocentric religion. Helio means sun or sun worship. We have been given a ball-shaped Earth, 10 to 12 planets, galaxies, Big Bang, etc. 100% false. Not just a lie, but lies and deceptions on top of lies and deceptions. Not just the universe, but everything. The communist, capitalist history, her story is built on complete falsehoods. The firmament is real. I'll state a few things on this important matter. Number one, the thickness of the firmament is 4 inches to 12 inches and 12 inches to 10 feet in different locations, as far as I can tell. This is found in the Haggadah, Haggada, the Haggadah, 2nd chapter. Number two, the main and closest firmament to us, this is the Mark Sargent. Can be found on YouTube, Mark Sargent Primary Dome Firmament, at 70 to 75 miles above and about the United States of America. This is known from the highest amateur rocket launch of 73 miles up, of which the rocket itself got stuck in the firmament's magnetic field. This is real. Number three, there are 6 firmaments. A, where the birds fly highest. B, Mark Sargent Primary Dome Firmament. C, Sun-Moon Firmament. D, Wandering Stars, Jupiter, Saturn, etc. Firmament. And E, the Stars Great Drum Firmament. Now, we'll go to number 4. The firmament is composed physically of different substances. A, solid hydrogen with no transition to liquid. B, amber transition glass. When these pieces from the firmament falls down to the Earth's surface, humans make jewelry from this. And C, meteor materials. There are no comets or asteroids from the sky or in the heavens. The heavens is not the universe, nor the universe the heavens, or vice versa. Number 5, the birds fly a few thousand feet above at maximum. The Mark Sargent Primary Dome Firmament is 70 to 75 miles above. The Sun-Moon Firmament is 2,000 to 2,500 miles above. The Wandering Stars Firmament is 2,000 to 2,500 miles above, but separate from the Sun-Moon Firmament. The Stars Great Drum Firmament is 5,000 to 200,000 miles and spins around the Earth. The Earth is flat-surfaced and is gigantic and stationary, and is the center of the heavens. Number 6, there are no comets or asteroids. These things are false. What is in fact the case are in fact the most powerful, massive electrical displays on the firmament ceiling. This is known from dozens of videos showing it. Number 7, the Mark Sargent primary dome firmament, 70 to 75 miles above, is impenetrable. We cannot go through this thing. This is known from dozens of videos showing it. Rockets slamming into the firmament ceiling. Humans have never left this earth and never will. And here's the main thing. Don't ever have to. Everything we could and can ever need and want is right here. Everything. Number 8. The temperature of the firmament ceiling is 8,000 degrees to 11,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This we know from declassified CIA, that's Central Intelligence Agency. This we know from declassified CIA 1960s documents. Number 9. In the visible light spectrum, that which we can see with our eyes, with cameras, there are clouds in front and back of the sun and moon at different times. This is because there is an inert gas between the Mark Sargent primary dome firmament and the sun-moon firmaments. This is known from dozens of videos on YouTube that shows it. Number 10, beyond the heavens. Beyond the heavens is where the angels swim, so it is said, or where some say the machinery exists, that we and everything is a simulation produced from it. There are ancient books and newspapers that show when the blue sky disappeared, giant machinery was visible where the blue sky should have been. Number 11, flat earthers call the firmament the dome. Military people call it the barrier. Jews, 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 the CIA, Central Intelligence Agency, and the Christians call it the firmament. Physicists call it the container because it's impossible, physically that is, to have gas pressure without a container. And the hundreds of millions to several billions of brainwashed humans don't even know there is a firmament. Number 12, from Sumerian records, a people called the Anunnaki in the old book, most people call the Bible, they are called the people of Anak. From the Sumerian records, a people called the Anunnaki in the Bible, they are called the people of Anak. A people called the Anunnaki came here about 230,000 years ago. They had very advanced tech, and as the damned fools they were, they continued to explode the most powerful bombs against and on the Mark Sargent primary dome firmament's ceiling and produced a hole in it. This hole produced the most extreme form of cold. They tried to close it, but could not. Their total world began to die. So the only way to close the hole was with flaked and or powdered gold. So they came from their part of the earth to here, where we are, for gold. It is extremely dangerous to mess with the firmament. The ancient Sumerians are teaching us this. Number 13, human beings have known have known there is a firmament above our heads for 2,000 to 20,000 or 20,000 to 50,000 years. And for the present time, from the 1950s to today, have known there is a firmament. From the Sumerian records, the Haggadah, the Bible, the Torah, the Tanakh, and from Admiral Richard Byrd and others. And let's go to 14. The earth has length, width, thickness, and the firmament covers the whole disc-shaped earth, which is gigantic, 27,000 to 37,000 miles in radius, as far as I can tell. Number 15. The firmament is held up or propped up by pillars or magnetic field systems. This is expressed by South Pole findings in the 1950s. The Earth has 6 poles: central North Pole, central South Pole, South, North, East, and West poles. We'll go to number 16. The star drum firmament spins around the central North Pole and the central South Pole, east to west for the central North Pole and west to east for the central South Pole, on the other side of on the other flat side of the Earth. The Earth is 85% to 90% most probably a disk. We'll go to number 17. From the Haggadah, its 2nd chapter. The firmament was produced by extreme heat and the most extreme pressure into a thin layer. We'll go to number 18. The sun-moon dome firmament, or Eric Dubé firmament, has 6 objects in it: sun, moon, Phoenix, Nemesis, Nibiru, and the black sun. The black sun and Nibiru I cannot verify, but is implied, supposed, maybe the case. I want to thank everyone for listening and watching, and we will meet on the next video. Please subscribe and share this video, and have a good day always.